Early on, too, there has been a push across the country to rethink policing when it comes to mental health. The Lake County Sheriff's Department was one of the first in our area to put together what's a pretty specialized team.
And 5 years later, the crisis outreach and support team has more than doubled the number of calls they respond to. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey is digging into the numbers and what they mean.
Yeah, he ran into the roadway.
When paramedics responded to a call in Beach Park on March 27th, a man in his 20s was having a bipolar episode and ran from first responders trying to help him and into oncoming traffic. 3 sheriff's deputies, with the help of a specialized mental health-focused team, blocked off traffic and coaxed him out of harm's way.
Because of the coast team being there, it was kind of the best of both worlds happened, and the person was actually from there, taken for some services.
Saving not just him, but potentially the lives of unsuspecting drivers. That team...
So we'll do some follow-ups a little bit later, see if everything's okay. If not, then we'll make another phone call, okay?
The Crisis Outreach and Support Team, or COAST team, which pairs a mental health clinician...
And then this is all mental health of different calibers.
...with specially trained deputies and officers from the area.
The other part is the homelessness.
Sergeant Jim Janasek is the director.
Because at the end of the day, not every incident needs someone arrested, not every incident needs somebody ticketed. But somehow, some way, the police were called. So we're here to help.
Janasek says it's not just the on-the-spot intervention, it's the follow-up that's important. COAST team members can then drop off subjects here at the Living Room Wellness Center, which is a 24-hour respite home where they can get access to continued care. Subjects have a place to relax, borrow some new clothes, do their laundry, and get access to important mental health services. The man who the COAST team helped last week was one of 215 mental health calls that the team got just this year. And those numbers have exploded from 211 mental health related calls in 2018 to more than 1,575 calls last year. It's not that there are necessarily more mental health issues. It's that officers are learning to spot it and flag these cases for extra help.
If you don't understand what you're seeing, then you're going to miss a lot. These officers are now having the ability to understand what a mental health incident is.
The team is similar to a specialized team in Chicago that wasn't piloted until 2021.
A bunch of resources.
Sergeant Janasek says their data is good enough evidence for other departments that may be thinking of creating a similar team to do it.
At the end of the day, it's a medical issue that needs to be addressed. It's just how the public perceives it.
In Waukegan, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 Investigators.
The COAST team is hoping to expand, but it will need more clinicians and other agencies to join their partnership.